I know I just made a video the other day about Cursor AI, but I used it in a different way yesterday, so I wanted to make a video about that. It's very similar, but I am in love with this tool, absolutely in love with it. So how I've been using it the past couple days is to refactor code that I wrote, several years ago. Code that maybe is working fine, but I'm giving it to Cursor and just saying, hey, how would you improve this? Oh, I would do this. Cool, do it. And it does it. And it's working fantastic. Yesterday, I actually used it in a different way. I used it from scratch. And so here, I open it up and I point it not at a file, but just a folder that I just made right here, monitor demo, which is currently blank. And before, we could highlight a section of our code, or just for the entire code, hit Control L, open up that kind of interactive chat window. Now I'll hit Control I, and this is Composer right here. And so I'm pasting in here, I need to monitor several websites and dark websites to make sure they're online. Write me Python code to check every hour and notify me via Slack webhook if any site fails 3 times in a row. And we hit this, and it starts showing us everything that's going on. Once again, I haven't even fully planned on switching to paid as soon as it asks me to. It hasn't asked me to switch to paid yet. This is all still free. So it tells us what we need to run pip install on, but you see, it writes the code all in here. And you can see right here, it's accounting for the SOCKS 5H proxy to run through to be able to access dark websites. So either Tor as a service or Tor browser going. And so we sit there, I can accept all. And so now we actually have this Python code it wrote in there. Now, how can I add sites for this code to monitor? We could add sites to monitor in the main function if we wanted to. See right here, it goes down. If we wanted to make it an external list of sites with comments. So an external file. So now instead of doing an inline, let's have it make an external file right there. And so you see there, it makes something called sites_config.yaml. So now it creates a new file. It's automatically making these files in there and modifying the code. I can hit accept. I can come on here, the site that it just made, hit accept, and it's just making it from scratch, and it's doing fantastic. If I try to run this and get errors, we put these in here, it's interactive. Like I said, I'm in love with Cursor AI, and I know it's not the first programming environment to be integrated with AI, that others have done it as well too, but this is just so easy and so seamless. I've been loving it, so I just wanted to, once again, share it with you. So let me know what you think.